I found out about this event and I wanted to bring students down to get a feel of whether or not this would be something that they would want to do later on in life, after college, if they wanted to start their own business or if they wanted to go into the trades, if it was HVAC or something like that, where they could gain more knowledge about, is this something that I really want to do, is have my own business?
I really enjoyed the amount of workshops we did that had to do with like leadership and team bonding, especially when they put us with other people we didn't know and we had to work together. My big thing is wanting to come here and work on my leadership skills and work on my ability to work with others, and I think that they do a great job at getting you acclimated into that. I'd like to work on my ability to come up with more out-of-the-box ideas. They give you information on entrepreneurship in a way that gets you interested and also has you actively working on it without being too informational, I guess.
I like the team building aspects. I like the creativity. I like having students be in positions of leadership and ownership and having them figure this out. I noticed there's two activities. One is an escape room simulation and the other is a crafting and marketing project. I also think that students just sitting doing assignments in classrooms at computers is the norm. So anything like this that puts them in a different situation is helpful for their development.
I think I'm just coming into this with an open mind and just kind of seeing what this has to offer. I think it's good to, come to stuff like this and kind of just, like I said, keep an open mind and, just see what it's all about.
Just getting out of my comfort zone, like meeting new people and learning about entrepreneurship and seeing if it's really something that I want to do in the future. I think that you should definitely get out there and try something new and see if it's something that you would want to do.
I think it's exposure to events that happen in the community to where I feel like students could benefit from, and I think that, students don't know what they don't know. So I think that this is great for them to expand their horizons and learn a little bit about community.